Hi, Judd here. Going to do a little more gardening today. Maybe wrap up the mass planting of the things that Lucinda brought. First of all, I got a couple things to go over. One, the chest cam thing, that just didn't work. I mean, it was a nice idea, but so no more chest cam. We're going back to the tripod. One other thing, I had an idea last night. Remember those plant pots I told you about? Well, I took one of them and I put it in my non-stick fry pan and just pressed it down a little bit for a minute or so, and look at that beautiful rim it gave me, huh? So, and that also strengthens it. Okay, don't crush anymore. So the free plant pots got even better. And Tracy suggested that I ought to get some footage of birds at my bird bath, my new bird bath, well, an old bird bath in the new area. So this morning I set up the camera at the time I heard all the birds out, and just left it there and actually forgot about it. Came home a few hours later and said, oh yeah. So I've got probably an hour and a half to 2.5 hours worth of footage there, and either birds came and you will see it, or no birds came and you won't see it. But I did that this morning, so thank you. Now yesterday, I was out here, and on my pineapple, I noticed a bunch of bugs. I sent a picture to Lucinda, and they turned out to be those nasty grasshoppers. I was told to kill them, and I looked it up, and the quickest way I had to kill them was with a blowtorch, which actually took some doing. They walked out of the flame. It was amazing. They're tough little critters. But that I ended up having to pull all these weeds to try to find any remnants of them, and I got them all, but when I pulled all these weeds, look, I discovered the billion-dollar baby plants have propagated all over the place. Look at them all. It's like ground cover. Isn't that amazing? So that kills the idea of digging up this whole thing, because these things are just all over, which is a good thing. And even down here, there's my baby mother of millions. And there's another little one starting right there. So we got that going for us. Now we're going to take the root slayer and tripod and head on down and dig in the rest of them Severius. I got a couple of bags of topsoil. I'm going to mix in with the sand and pick it up down there. Whoa, Nelly. Woo. Another couple of points to make down here. One, I went to the chiropractor on Monday, so my back is much better. And I'm going again today, but I told her to make it a late one today, so I could come out here and wreck myself first, and then get that fixed. On this, I was wrong about this. This does get morning sun, which I didn't know. So the morning sun, I get the morning sun on that, on the Queens of the Night there in that plot. The Severius, I'm going to go over here, and this gets blocked in the morning and doesn't get much in the afternoon, so I think this will be okay. And I'm going to dig this up and mix it up with some topsoil, give it a little bit better handling here. There are so many of these. And a couple of bonus of jade and a purple. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's everything. Look at all that. Isn't that amazing? Oh, this baby's root bound. Pot bound. There we go. Whoa! Wow, look at that. That's what we call pot bound. Which is probably also pot bound. Yep. Pot bound. And another pot bound. Wow. Okay, now I should put those up front. I got big ones putting back. Duh. Oh, they'll grow. Okay. Obviously, these are getting afternoon sun. But you know what? They're lucky to have a home at all. So, okay, this is a tricky little something. There's another potato plant. been told this is a potato, it's asparagus. Like that's supposed to make it better? I wonder, this would be fine here. I'm going to stick this up front. No, because then this should go in the back. So, look at that. Because planting is one thing, growing is another. Whoa. Okay, that definitely gets the back row. Right there. And that's an all-in-one. Put that over to the right. Look at that monster. Isn't that incredible? Here. Now, onto this side. Giant of the Severius. This would be Severus Snape himself. That's a monster. And the snip, put the monster right in front of Severus. Okay, this is Harry Potter's army, or Gandalf's army. Was it Gandalf's army? But in the end, Severus is higher, because we didn't know. Oh, look at that little baby thing. Looks to be baby Harry Potter. He has no idea what the hell's ahead of him. That's a medium. Oh, there's a biggie. Oh, and another biggie. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that's two. A truncated biggie. Okay. Wow, that's like celery. Huh. Got one more medium big. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's got another tab. See, they all have these little tabs sticking out. Or a lot of them do. They need that extra little bit on the side of the hole. All right. A couple of jades. Oh, and the mother of millions. Okay, Mama Millions, you go right there. Woo! Here we go. Here's the new garden, what I call the Sansevieria dump. Down here we've got a couple of jades, a mother of millions, and the bunched potted Severius. Then over here we've got a plumeria. Okay, so that'll add a little interest to it. And there we go at the edge of the 40-acre woods, or 100-acre woods, and that'll be that. That's going to be maybe a wrap for the day. I don't know, maybe I'll do a little more. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, let's pretend that's it. Okay, so happy day to you. Oh yeah, water. Boom. Let there be water.